Here is how to download and install Google application on your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today let's learn about downloading and installing the Google application on your mobile device. So now let's get started. If you're using Android device, you need to go ahead and launch your Google Play Store on your device. And if you're using your iPhone, you need to go ahead and launch your App Store. Once you've launched it, tap on the search bar in the top of the screen, search for Google. Tap on the app that you want to install and then tap on install. If you already have it installed, you may see the option of update. Go ahead, tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. There are also different other applications of Google such as Google Chrome, Google Go, Gemini, Meet, Authenticator, Home, Photos, Wallet, and a lot more different options to go for. If you want to go ahead and install another Google application, open it and tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.